What if your next favorite gadget is one you've never even heard of? Today, we're counting down some of the smartest, coolest, and most useful gadgets that can make everyday life easier. Welcome to RevX. If you love discovering incredible tech before everyone else, hit subscribe. You'll find links to every gadget in the description below. Let's get started.
Still carrying 3 different charging cables? You only need this one. This 3-in-2 multi-charging cable lets you charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods, and USB-C devices all from a single cable. Built with a durable braided design and a magnetic Apple Watch charger, it's made for everyday use, travel, road trips, and even camping. It delivers fast charging, up to 3.5 amps, keeping multiple devices powered without the cable mess. Compact enough to fit in your pocket, backpack, or glove box, it's the one cable you'll always want to have with you. A simple gadget that makes charging so much easier. This tiny printer does way more than just print stickers. Meet the AI Mini Sticker Printer. Just type or speak your idea, and its built-in AI creates custom stickers, labels, flashcards, and artwork in seconds. Connect to your phone via Bluetooth and print instantly with no ink required. You can even turn your own photos into stickers using AI filters and one-tap background removal. With 20,000 plus templates, hundreds of fonts, and a compact pocket-sized design, it's perfect for journaling, studying, organizing, or getting creative anywhere. A tiny gadget with endless possibilities.
If you're serious about coffee, this tiny gadget makes a huge difference. Meet the Maestri House Espresso Scale. With 0.1 gram precision, it helps you measure every dose perfectly for consistently amazing espresso and pour-over coffee. It features a built-in brew timer, supports grams, ounces, and milliliters, and fits comfortably under most espresso machines. The sleek glass design includes touch controls, a hidden LED display, and a USB-C rechargeable battery that can last up to 90 days on a single charge. Small, accurate, and made for coffee perfection.
A tiny water leak can turn into a huge repair bill. This smart gadget helps stop that. Meet the Eve Water Guard. The moment it detects a leak, it triggers a 100 decibel alarm, flashes a bright red warning light, and sends an instant alert to your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. Its 6.5-foot sensing cable monitors a wide area and can even be extended to protect larger spaces, like basements, laundry rooms, or under sinks. It works with Apple HomeKit and Thread, with no cloud, no subscriptions, and no tracking, keeping all your data private. Protect your home before a small leak becomes a big problem.
This isn't just a bedside safe, it's a smart nightstand upgrade. The ZCF Mate Biometric Safe unlocks in as little as 0.1 seconds using your fingerprint, giving you fast, secure access when you need it most. It also works with a PIN code or backup keys and features an auto-opening drawer with a built-in LED light for easy access in the dark. But here's the coolest part. It doubles as a 3-in-1 wireless charging station for your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds, while the smart display shows the time, temperature, humidity, battery level, and lock status. Security meets convenience in one sleek device.
What if you could carry an entire notebook and library in one ultra-thin device? Meet the Penstar eNote Pro. Its paper-like e-ink display feels just like writing on real paper, with crisp text that's easy to read, even in bright sunlight. The 8192-level pressure-sensitive stylus delivers an incredibly smooth writing experience, while AI can convert your handwriting and voice into editable text. You can read PDFs, take notes side by side, scan documents with the built-in camera, and store everything on 128 gigabytes of internal storage. Lightweight, powerful, and built for students, professionals, and creators, this is note-taking reimagined.
What if you could have Wi-Fi almost anywhere in the world? Meet the GlocalMe Meowgo G40 Pro, a portable hotspot that delivers high-speed 4G plus internet in over 200 countries with no contracts or SIM card required. Thanks to its smart cloud SIM technology, it automatically connects to the strongest available network, keeping you online wherever you travel.
You can share your connection with up to 10 devices, enjoy over 15 hours of battery life, and manage everything from the built-in 2-inch touchscreen. Whether you're traveling, working remotely, or on a road trip, this gadget keeps you connected anywhere.
That check engine light doesn't always mean an expensive repair. Here's why. Meet the Rocco AI OBD2 scanner. Just plug it into your car, connect your phone, and let the AI translate confusing engine codes into simple, easy-to-understand repair advice. Watch real-time engine data like RPM, coolant temperature, and sensor readings right on your screen, and run a full vehicle scan with a single tap. You can even clear the check engine light after repairs. No bulky tools or mechanic experience required. Compatible with most vehicles built since 1996, this tiny scanner gives you professional-level diagnostics right from your smartphone. Know what's wrong before you visit the mechanic. If you solder electronics, this workstation will make your life so much easier. Meet this all-in-one soldering helping hand station. It features a heavy-duty steel base with 4 flexible arms that securely hold your components, giving you both hands free for precise work. The built-in 5x magnifying glass includes 3 lighting modes and 10 brightness levels, making tiny circuits and delicate repairs crystal clear. Plus, the 360-degree rotating alligator clips, brass tip cleaner, and desoldering wick give you everything you need for clean, professional results. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this is the ultimate electronics workbench upgrade. If you're hanging shelves, installing cabinets, or tackling a renovation, this tool is a total game changer. Meet the 4x360-degree green laser level. It projects 16 bright laser lines across your walls, floors, and ceilings, giving you full room coverage with incredible accuracy. It self-levels automatically in seconds, or switch to manual mode for stairs, railings, and custom angles. The built-in LCD display, Bluetooth app control, and rechargeable batteries make every project faster and easier. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, this is one tool you'll wonder how you ever lived without.
This isn't just a floor lamp, it's a complete room transformation. Meet the Govee Smart RGB IC floor lamp. With 3 independent lighting zones, you can combine ambient glow, vibrant RGB effects, and bright task lighting, all at the same time. The 330-degree rotating lamp head projects stunning ripple effects across your walls and ceiling, with 80-plus built-in scenes for movie nights, gaming, or relaxing. It also follows your natural circadian rhythm, automatically adjusting from cool daylight to warm evening light. And with Alexa, Google Assistant, Matter, and the Govee app, you can control everything with your voice or phone. One lamp, endless possibilities.
Hybrid meetings don't have to feel awkward anymore. Meet the Meeting Owl 3, an all-in-one smart conference camera that captures 360-degree video in full HD and crystal clear audio from up to 18 feet away. Its built-in AI automatically detects who's speaking and instantly focuses on them, making remote meetings feel natural and engaging. Just plug it into your laptop and it's ready to work with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, WebEx, and more. Need to cover a bigger room? Pair it with additional OWL devices for even wider video and audio coverage. Smarter meetings start here. Struggling to split your pills evenly? This little gadget makes it effortless. Meet the Equados Pill Splitter. Its premium aluminum blade delivers clean, accurate cuts, making it easy to split both small and large tablets with precision. The secure holder keeps your medication steady while cutting, helping reduce crumbling, uneven pieces, and wasted pills. Compact, durable, and easy to carry, it's perfect for home, work, or travel, whenever you need accurate medication dosing. Simple, precise, and incredibly useful.
Want your videos to look instantly more professional? This tiny light does the trick. Meet the VL49 RGB LED video light. It delivers bright, natural-looking lighting with full RGB colors, adjustable brightness, and color temperatures from warm to cool. The built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery lasts for hours, and you can even use it while it's charging. Thanks to its magnetic back, you can attach it to metal surfaces in seconds or mount it on your camera, tripod, or phone rig.
Whether you're filming YouTube videos, TikToks, portraits, or product shots, this compact light is a must-have for creators. Big lighting power in a pocket-sized. This might be the smartest portable fan you'll use all summer. Meet this 2-in-1 handheld and clip-on fan. Hold it in your hand or clip it to your stroller, backpack, desk, beach chair, or umbrella for hands-free cooling anywhere. Its 13,500 RPM high-speed motor delivers a powerful breeze, while the 180-degree adjustable head and 360-degree rotating clip let you aim the airflow exactly where you need it. The built-in LED display shows your battery level and fan speed, and with 4 cooling modes plus USB-C charging, it's always ready for hot days. Lightweight, powerful, and perfect for summer.
That's it for today's Gadget Roundup. Tell me which gadget impressed you the most in the comments below. If you had fun watching, don't forget to like, subscribe to RevX, and ring the notification bell for more amazing tech every week. As always, all the product links are in the description. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.